Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to patch up some small holes in your doors or any panels that you have on your car. Now you can see that's where the old door handle used to go on. Well, I'm doing a custom feature, so at this point I don't need those holes anymore. So I'm going to weld them up just like I did for the back door. Now that you've ground down the holes where the welds are going to go, you can get your welder ready, whether you're going to use a MIG, flux, or a TIG welder, and you're going to start to fill in this hole and go on the edge of it. Now, if you want, you actually can try and put something behind it, like a piece of copper, and they have these tools that are made out of copper, and you put that tool right behind here, and when you're done welding, grind them down and get them nice and flush, and then you can do your body filler over it and they'll disappear. Alright guys, this was a very simple video, pretty much straightforward. Make sure you use a very low amperage, and this is probably going to be a different amperage for everyone out there. So, this is the type of rod I was using on my TIG welder. Filled up those holes nice. And we're going to keep on moving forward. Alright guys, I welded in 2 patch panels, so what you're going to want to do is tap them out with your hammer where you weld them in very lightly. You don't want to push it in too much, but that's like if, so I tapped it down a little bit, and I'll put a little bit of filler and stuff like that. I'll put self-etch before I put the filler over it, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, if you stuck through to the end of the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily videos like this. Alright guys, just remember I do my body work out here in this tent, and I left the filler a little rough. I'm going to work on it tomorrow. That's going to be another video. I'm going to show you guys how to do some block sanding. These are some areas that I was welding in some patch panels for today. I like to do my body work outside of my shop, like I said, and I like to do it in this tent where it's environmentally controlled. It helps keep all the carcinogens out of the shop, and then I like to do anything else that I need to, and I pull it into the shop, and we work on any of our cars inside there. We have multiple tents, which allows us to be environmentally controlled and away from the weather and work on multiple cars without the dust flying on other cars that are done already and are for sale, or other restorations or customer cars that we're working on. We do have a method to our madness, and please stay tuned. I like to show you guys as much as you can do at home and still get professional results. Have a good day.